Hey yogis and friends, welcome to Yogea Yoga. I'm Antonia and this is, guess what? Innovasana Think Tank, YouTube's most innovative play space for creating new asana, and we're about to do Stork pose. How about getting some glad tidings in your life? Let's stand firmly into the ground and then plant your left foot, anchor it down. Bring your right knee to the crease of your left knee and bend your left knee as low as you can. Now slide your left elbow crease into the top of your right foot. Keep on bending and take your bind. Here it is, Storky. And ta-da, we did it. Thank you for practicing Stork pose with me. This is Innovasana Think Tank. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for other innovative asanas, classical asana, and lots of targeted routines. Yogea Yoga.